Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are located, in whichever country. This is Dr. Ricardo McKenzie, specialist in internal medicine in the state of California. I am calling or sending you this message to invite you to join us in our celebration in August in the province of Limon, Costa Rica. The Honorable Dr. Anakwenze, who's also a colleague of mine, will be attending there also as our guests, and would like for you to join us in that celebration. August is designated as the official month for the celebration of our African culture. The end of August, or August 31st, is usually when we have our grand parade, which is done in the provincial capital of the province, which is called Puerto Limon. I will be sending you links to hotels in the area which you can choose from, and I'm suggesting that you plan your travel probably within a week of the 31st in order to enjoy all the activities taking place in the different villages in the province. Again, please look out for old or past events to give you an example of what takes place on August 31st, and also to the links to these hotels, period. I will be sending you also the names of some of the airlines that will go to Costa Rica, and the name of some of the hotels in the capital city, San Jose, where you'll be flying to, or SJO, in order to make things a lot easier for you. So look out for these links, and any questions, please feel free to send them through the chat group, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Again, I'm very happy to address you in this short video, and looking forward to having you join us in our celebration.